Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily Ames, and I am an online course coach and a template designer. So I am going to show you a very simple 5-second hack that you can set up once and start to grow your Pinterest account and hopefully also grow your Instagram account. What I'm going to show you will honestly take 30 seconds. I think every small business or solopreneur should set this up once because this is just going to hopefully help you get more views on your content. So if you are posting to Instagram, you might as well make sure that content is going further and you are adding that content to Pinterest automatically. You don't have to do anything once you set this up. I will say that even if you don't feel like you're ready to do a Pinterest strategy or you even feel like you have time for Pinterest, you still need to set this up because you might as well start to gain traction on Pinterest without even trying. And so all you'll need is your business account for Pinterest. So make sure to set that up if you don't have a business Pinterest account. And then you are going to go to your profile over here. And then you're going to click the little drop down and it says claim external accounts. And this is where you're going to connect your Instagram account. Mine is @2health with it. And you're just going to click connect or claim whatever it says right there. Click the button and then you'll have to put in your password. And now Pinterest and your Instagram account are connected. Basically, once you make a post, it then needs to go to one of your boards. So you're going to need to create a board for your Instagram posts where you want all of them to go. So I just have an online course tips generalized Pinterest board where all of my posts go. So you're just going to need to make sure that board is public so people can see it, of course, on your Pinterest. So once you set that up, that is it. And then when you start to publish content on Instagram, it will automatically auto-publish to Pinterest. So I'm going to just show you some of these posts down here automatically where this is one of my reels. This is another post of mine. This is another post, and it will post all of your carousel posts as one individual post. And even if you don't get a lot of traction on these posts, there's still views, and you never know who's going to click the post into your Instagram or become an Instagram follower or go to your website. You just never know. And it takes 5 seconds, so you might as well set it up. I also have a video on how to automatically publish your blog posts to Pinterest as well. So then you'll have 2 channels going to Pinterest automatically without doing anything else. So this is one of my blog posts that I just recently posted, and that just came over into Pinterest as well. So check that out in my other YouTube videos and comment and subscribe if this content was helpful for you. I would love to create more content like this. So love to hear and share this with a business friend who may not have this set up yet. Okay, thank you.